Hello, I'm Jing. I'm a Chinese teacher from Mandarin China. Maybe because my mom was a museum guide, I used to watch her explain our culture and history to many people from different parts of China. Now I have a bigger stage here, so I decided to bring the beauty of our language to a lot more people from different countries. I've been teaching for 3 years. I have loved teaching for a really long time. Mainly because I love the process of seeing students who initially think our words are so complicated with so many strokes, and then they can speak it and eventually fall in love with it. It is a process that requires 3 things: practice, practice, and more practice. I really fell in love with this idea of practice when I taught myself how to play the piano. I remember not being able to play the chords. Now I can do them with ease. Sometimes I play the music and let my students sing the Chinese song with me. It is a lot of fun there. I also love drawing, and I did a lot of paintings. And I even painted my dog. As a big plant aficionado, I keep over 100 different plants at home, and I also write articles and publish them on magazines. My specialties include conversational Chinese with proper pronunciations, teaching you skills how to communicate with locals, and if you ever want to chat with your in-laws, I have personalized class for you too. So, if you are interested in any of this, or you simply want to sing a song with me, please let me know. I would like to work with you. Bye bye.